Buenos tardes. How are you doing today? Yes, mis amigos. Today we are back at the good old Baldy Mesa trails to enjoy the lovely scenic ropes that are bestowed upon us. But this time we are on the other part of Baldy Mesa, so we got some new ropes to explore. Unfortunately, Suburban Delinquent wasn't able to take a vacation from Whoville today. So it's gonna be me and my buddy Jace Kiltner, who's currently in his underwear, but right behind me, and getting his dirt gear on while I'm over here checking out my new chair that I see right here. Yo, what is this? Is this fucking chains and shit? What the fuck? Is this metal? Holy shit. Look at all this metal, dude. They're like train rivets or some shit. But before the video gets started, I want to give some... Oh shit, there's like a fucking road worker right there. He's probably like, bitch, got it. Quit dicking off with our railroad rivets, you cunt. But Jace Kiltner's gonna let me ride this illustrious, beautiful Honda 450 right here, which has been very difficultly made into a street legal dual sport slash enduro, whatever you want to call her. And yeah, and he's gonna be on the CRF 450 right here. So today I'm gonna be busting some 450 ropes. As you can see, this thing is all kinds. It's got the custom little display here, little headlight here. You guys want to fucking hear a funny fact? The government shutdown affected our dirt bike riding in the sense that, I guess to park here you need a recreational pass, and what's the Forestry Services? It's a government entity, and you can't get it because the government's shut down. So it's not marked as a closed area, and you can't buy them because the government's shut down. So that being said, we literally are like, we're in an area that's just shut down by the government, which, who would have known the government shutdown would affect your dirt bike riding, right? That shit's just funny as hell. I need to get the feel for this thing. Oh. Ah. Woo. Oh. Oh, hey. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this thing's got some power. Oh shit. Oh yeah, this thing's snappier than a rat's asshole. Let's go see what's over here. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay, you got it. You got it. You got it. Not bad. Oh shit, I'm like right on the edge of the train track here. Oh shit, this thing's so tall. I can't put my foot down. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Man, these 450s are... You wouldn't think that a 450 in sense of like, if you're an unskilled dirt dickhead and you don't know nothing about these bikes, you would think that a 450 wouldn't be something too insane, right? But in the sense of these dirt bikes, man, they're intense. And I don't mean intense like you're inside of a tent camping. I'm talking about like intense. But here's where we're at, Baldy Mesa OHV staging area. Ooh, let's see what we got here. I'm gonna drop this from being lack of a tall dickhead. Alright, let's see what we gotta look out for. Fiery end strikes a new beginning. Fact of life, as a result of an extended... Look, some fucking stupid fucking asshole just goes, look at me, dude. Give me my Capri Sun, dude. Look at me, dude. And just like acting like they're scratching the shit out of this.
From ashes springs life. What seems dead is bubbling with life. Look closer. Can you see signs of new life? The first signs are small. Grass, bugs, and wildflowers. Soon shrubs and trees take shape. Animals return to the forest. Santa Barbara to San Diego. The fire siege of 2003 burned over 744,000 acres. And I think that's where we're at right there. Wow. Hey. And then these pieces of shit scratching out the letters. But I can read it in Spanish.
Apagar un fuego incontrolado es solo el primer paso hacia la recuperación de la salud del bosque.
I haven't even ridden yet and I'm out of breath. Like, what the? How's that happen? Help this land heal. This area's recovering from wildfire. Please keep vehicles on roads to protect wildlife. You got it, buddy. Only you can protect your right to ride. Share the trail. Got you. Tread lightly, traveling only where permitted. Respect others' rights. Gotcha. Okay, I'm educating myself. We're good. Oh my god, this thing's so hard to get on. Oh, there we go. So I gotta turn this on, and then... Hey. Whoa. This thing says 63 degrees. I wonder if that's like... I think that's the temp outside, obviously. Ready to get down and dirty? Oh, these pegs are a lot easier to stand on. My eyes are already watering, damn it. I look like I'm tearing up crying. Oh shit! We get a fucking tunnel to ride under? Oh, I thought it'd be longer. Oh, it's sandy as shit. I even got me a little convenient mirror right here. What's that little hill over there? Is that something you can rip? Yo, this shit's fucking cool, dude. It's literally like throwing us under freeways and shit. Woo! Sandy as shit. Oh, that was so that's the street legal route. Oh my god, this thing's so fucking torquey. Gotta be careful on these corners. When I was looking up this place, I saw like a couple fucking crashes and shit around these corners. So I'm like legit fucking like worried around the corners and shit. Jesus bike. It's so torquey. It's like a torquey snorky. Ooh. Yo, my fucking forearms are fucking burning already. Fuck. And you gotta be touchier than shit on this bike. Yeah, these rocks are no joke. This bike's a little bit of a different breed than that 250 I was riding. view. Man, this is beautiful. It's weird because some of them break into access roads and some of them don't. Damn, a lot of these are street legal only. Holy shit. That road would fuck someone's day up. Man, I don't know if it's these rocks or what, but this baby slides around the corners. Oh, these are really fucking chill trails though. It's not just like mountain climb after mountain climb after mountain climb. Oh, almost dipped it right there. Oh god, his tire sand's going in my eyeballs. I'm so slow on the dirt. Petroleum pipeline? Yeah, let's lay some pipe in here. I love Mount Baldy. It's like one of the only mountains around here that can like hold the snow on the mountains when it's not like completely that cold. Woo! See, I'm scared of doing that and then just wiping my asshole out and then just sliding across dirt. Yo, these guys literally could probably like get drunk at night and like fucking shoot guns off at the dirt. And like no one would, they wouldn't even be loud enough for people where they would be like getting bothered. Yeah, give me that dirt. It was like the baby bottle pop trail. Baby bottle pop, baby bottle pop. A bunch of fucking beer bottles. Oh damn, it's all shot up too. Woo. I think we were down there. I think that's where we came from. Man, these are like some legit, just like preschool trails right here. I slammed my balls pretty hard back there. Oh, you know how when you get hit in the balls, it doesn't hurt until like a minute after, like 30 seconds after? Oh, that just happened right now. It's cool, it's like little variations. It's like, would you like to go this way? Or would you like to go that way? Ooh, look at that. These views. I like this trail. Getting the mayor ropes. Let me get a picture. This one's really chill.
Yeah.
Like you can just have fun with it and like be loose.
What I remember is we're gonna get up over that ridge, and that's where the stuff that you and Suburban hit.
Yeah. Oh man, look at this. Right on only designated trails. Stop cross-country travel and hill climbing. Respect closed areas. Alright, so if anyone wants to fucking pause the rope screen, go ahead. You can see all this. Read all kinds of goodies that we got here. Oh yeah. Dude, it feels so good. Alrighty. After this little scenic view and a battery change, we're gonna keep on going and trucking. Let's go. Another cool thing since last time I was out here, it's like 20 degrees warmer. So I'm not out here like fogging up as bad, so I can keep my visor closed and just get all the beautiful shade ropes. Alright, we're gonna go off to the left right here. You know what we were talking about? And I don't know if this is true, but are these metal grates right here to keep cars from going in here? I'm wondering if that's so. Oh god, it's getting a little tossy here. I think my ass crack's hanging out, I can feel it. Oh yeah, we're getting close to the area that we were at last time. I gotta say, for an enduro, this thing handles. Oh, I guess this actually was an off-the-showroom dirt bike, so it's not like it's surprising. This thing's a fucking beast in the dirt hard. Oh, it wasn't really a big hill, but this is like some of the most purest fun that you can have as a human being on this earth. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Look at this lake of water. Oh shit, that would have sucked. This is where we came and turned around, so it was up to this point.
Oh, okay. Dude, the rain made all this stuff so much better.
Really?
It's super sticky. It's not sand anymore.
Oh.
Sticky sand.
Yeah, there's a big, I almost fell in a lake back there. On the turn, it was like fucking probably this deep. Oh, back to old familiar territory, it looks like. Oh god. god. Oh my gosh, this is so sandy. Oh my god, I can't even control the bike. Oh shit. This is... Ah! Oh, that hill back there got my height sphere fucking triggering. Oh, 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 shit, shit, shit. It's so fucking sandy. Okay, it's a little more packed right here. Then that's fucking crazy. That dude back there, he was like just hitting all this by himself. You know, he's got some balls. Some... Oh, oh shit. Oh shit, I'm losing it. Oh fuck. Oh shit. That's so sandy. So I found out why this bike was so tall. He has this bike lifted because of his tallness. So I feel so like, I feel like I'm on a fucking leaning tower of mushroom tips here. Really nice view. Crazy how many beer bottles there are out here. Isn't this just like a fucking magical ass area though? There's so much fucking nice shit. Man, I miss having a dual sport. Miss being able to just fucking ride all over any terrain. Well, I got my Grom for that, but I want a legit one. I still want the WR250R, the street legal one. That's still like my go-to favorite dual sport if I was to get one. Rocky as shit. It's like some Rocky Road ice cream in this bitch.
Oh yeah, baby.
Damn. It's like big old mounds after mounds after mounds. My eyes. Oh shit. I brought water last time and I didn't take a sip while I was out here. And now like I didn't bring water and I want water. Dude, this person lives here. This is this person's back fucking yard, dude. How the hell? They got fucking solar power, a big old balcony. Yo, this shit is sick. They got a fucking sand rail. That's so dope. Fuck, this place is so rutted out. A fucking engine block.
Slap that thing in my truck, get it too.
It's a tranny too, huh? Oh God.
Funny is watching your video was way less steep.
Right?
When you look back at the footage, I mean this thing is vertical, bro.
Right?
Here we go.